Episode 3 of Daughter's Daily Pack, where I let my daughter reach into this pile of Pokemon cards, pull me out a pack, and I'm going to open one every day. Today she's picked up a Pokemon Go, same as in episode 1, and we had quite good luck actually, so let's hope that luck continues. And don't forget, every pull in these packs is going into a binder, and at the end of the year, if I've got 50,000 followers, I'm going to give that binder away, so follow along. A little confused because I've definitely done the pack trick wrong. Anyway, I love this set and I'd really love to add that Mewtwo to the binder. We've had 2 for 2 so far, so let's try and get 3 for 3.
You're joking. Not another one?
We've got the reverse holo and the holo the same. Tyranitar. Not the best pull in the world, but I do love this art. Still going to look good in the binder, but let's hope for a better pull tomorrow on day 4. I'll see you then.